Hey guys, I'm Christopher with MedTech, and I'm going to talk to you about commission. So, how does commission work? You have a number that the doctor is able to bill Medicare at. For FM, that number is $34.50. For TL, that number is $14.50. Let's talk about FM first. So, Dermabind FM is a product that is approved by Medicare to bill from a doctor at $3,450. Medicare will cover 80% of that bill. That's $2,760. Now remember, this is per squared centimeter, okay? So Medicare covers 80% per square centimeter at $2,760 for Dermabind FM. The doctor will get 35% of that on a rebate, and then our distributor gets the other 65, of which we get a percent, of which you get a percent. I encourage you guys all to look over your contract to know what your percent is. Now, let's talk about TL. Dermabind TL bills Medicare at $1,450. That's $1,450. This is on the national ASP. That means that nationally, the average sale price is $1,450 for Dermabind TL. Dermabind TL gets billed at $1,450. The doctor will be reimbursed at 80% by Medicare. When the doctor is reimbursed at 80% by Medicare and they pay the distributor, they get a rebate on TL of 40%. Now, this is important to remember because this is different than the Dermabind FM. The Dermabind FM gets a different percentage on a rebate. You must remember this for the doctors because they will ask you this and they do want to know. Now, a lot of you are probably wondering, what about the other 20% that Medicare does not cover? And that's a great question. So the other 20% that Medicare does not cover is the doctor's responsibility to get those funds. It is on the doctor and it is going to be their loss if they do not collect that 20%. The doctor knows this, they are very familiar with this, and they do understand. You will not be hitting them with a surprise when you tell them the 20% is left to you. You have to collect it. Your question at the end here might be, well, what do I get paid? And that's a great question. But fortunately here, we allow there to be tiers and we allow there to be other companies to contract with us. So you might be on someone's team. And for that reason, we encourage you all to please review your contract. Please hit your first point of contact to go over that contract. And then please reach out to us if you have any other questions about your contract. We can only let you know and give you information based on what is in your contract. It is very important that you go over this, you negotiate your contract appropriately, and you execute it with your team leader or us directly. Thank you guys so much, and we look forward to doing business with you.